Today on Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday, we're making the Revolver. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making something a little different. We're making something called the Revolver Cocktail. What is it? The Revolver was created in 2004 in San Francisco by a bartender named John Santer. Now, the drink was based on Bulleit bourbon and Tia Maria and a flamed orange peel, hence the name Revolver. A bullet, a flash of flame, and pow! It's delicious. But let's see how it's evolved since then. I have here my mixing glass filled with ice. Instead of bourbon, I'm going to use rye. Bourbon is a little sweet for my taste, but don't worry. I'm using Bulleit Rye. I like it. It's a little spicier than regular bourbon or than the Bulleit bourbon. We just need 2 ounces, 60 mils. Right in our glass. Next up is coffee liqueur. Now, you may think, first off your head, Kahlua. I'm not going to use Kahlua today. I love it, but Kahlua has rum in it, and that makes it a really sweet drink. I don't want this to be so sweet. I want this to be deeper, a little savourier. So, I'm going to use Mr. Black coffee liqueur. This is not at all sweet. This is coffee booze. It's wonderful. We just need half an ounce, 15 mils. Or a generous half an ounce. I'm going to add some orange in the form of orange bitters. 3 good dashes. This is a time where you're expecting the shaky. We're not shaking today, we're going to stir. I have a nice bar spoon, and I'm going to stir this up till it's chilled. This way I won't get the dilution that you get when you shake a cocktail, but it'll still get cold. Just got to be a little patient. All right, it's nice and chilled. I have a chilled cocktail glass here, and we're going to strain this in. Pretty color. Now we want a little more orange, which I have here in an orange peel, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to flame this. I've got a lighter here. Watch what happens. Why did I do that? First, let me rub the rim. I did that because the oils came out and burned off. Now I have the aroma of that burnt orange flavor. It kind of caramelized this a little bit. So I rubbed the outside of the glass, and that's going to go right in as my garnish. The aroma of that burnt orange is amazing. And it's very dramatic too. Let's give this a taste. Wow, that's nice. Very sophisticated, very grown up. Right away, I'm getting the coffee, but it's matching really nicely with the rye. They're both kind of spicy. It's really good. And then the orange is in the background, except when I brought it up to my nose, I got that little aroma of it first. So it's not making it sweet, but it's there. Very complex, very sophisticated. If you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. Now I'm going to go and sit and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. Until next time, everyone. Cheers.